Hey everyone, I am Arjun and we are saying Connected Hours of English. Please subscribe, like and share my channel so I will be motivated for creating technical videos like this. So let's get started. Today I am gonna continue our portfolio with Python series. So guys, here we have built this much of our portfolio and now we have to build our my setup section. So guys, we'll simply go at after this here nst.title my setup. Here we will simply pass an image and that image is gonna be asset. Not let's use our this home asset setup asset setup.jpg and perfect. Now let's pass here setup asset, then let's rerun. Now we get it, now we have it, and I have just done a simple change for a simple mechanics of computer vision. So like this, now we get it like this. So let's change it width to 500. Let's see how much it will be. It is a bit small, so let's firstly like this. Let's use the default width and let's rerun. Now we get it like this. Now I'm gonna give my channel URL Connected Hours English this. Okay, and it is loading. So guys, let's open this my journey's video. Then let's write here YouTube video URL will be this, not this. This one. Now let's go here and save this in the constant. After that, let's make it here st.video, not like this. Why I am doing that again and again, we have to do it like this. Column 1 comma column 2 is equal to st.columns 2. It means there are two columns, and with column 1 there is st.markdown. Here we will write the content, and right now we are just hard coding it. Not hard coding. Portfolio underscore text. Like this. Now let's see. Here we have to write a simple portfolio text. Now let's rerun this. And nothing reflects. Okay, it reflects. This reflects. Here we get it. Now we have to change this. Data science, data science, machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, full stack web development. So guys, now let's go here and see it one more time. So we get it. After that we have to go here. Then with column number 2, st dot video, you have to, if you have YouTube channel, then you have to do this one, else you can just write this much code instead of these columns too. So let's go here and write and paste that YouTube video URL, so that you can change your video anytime as you want. So guys, we have this, and now we have done my setup section. So that's it guys, this is indeed video. I hope you like this video. Thank you guys, thanks for watching the video.